Namaste. Welcome to the next episode of Clinical Ayurveda. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Akte. We were discussing Varna Karma and we have seen the main diseases where skin is deformed or is dushya. We have seen Kushtha, we have seen Shvitra, we have seen role of Krumi also. So these are the major diseases which we find in our daily practice. Varna karma is needed in some conditions where skin is a manifestation, but many a times the symptoms are seen on the local area. Means the Samprati what we have seen in the Kushtha in detail does not seem to be present every time, and many times it is because of some outside factor like allergy. For example, because of pollution, because of bright sunlight, you get people get dark circles. Because of some application of chemicals like some face pack or some beauty parlor products, the chemicals come in contact with the skin, and there is a reaction over that area. Sometimes there is some burning of the skin because of some agent, and that's why that local area gets deformed, and the varna of the skin is hampered. So in such cases you will find that we need the varna karma. The skin is has got some abnormality, but always the samprati what we have seen in kushtha or shvitra is not always present. So in such cases, when there is a local manifestation of the skin to a localized area, always you have to take the history of the patient and you have to find out is there any external factor coming in contact with the skin, and it has formed that local deformity in the varna karma. In according to that, hetu parivarjan is the must in such cases. In every disease, hetu parivarjan is always needed, as Sushruta Savita has said, Sankshapada Kriya Yoga Nidana Parivarjanam. So hetu parivarjan is must in every case, but when there is a localized lesion in the skin, as far as varna is concerned, you have to find in deep which factor is coming in contact with the skin of the patient, and you have to give solution to avoid that uh, contact. For example, if someone is getting because of pollution, then you have to ask the patient to use scarf or helmet. If someone is using some chemicals or cosmetics, then you have to find out that cosmetic, and you have to ask the patient to stop it, or you have to give some alternative to the patient. So varna karma, when there is a localized pigmentation, dark circles or any other discoloration, local some external factor, you have to find out many times. Of course, internal medicine, the same principle remains: Rakta Shuddhikara, Klidanashak, and the drugs which have good varna karma. There is Vaivarnya, in which the other disease which comes as a symptom and as a for other diseases. For example, Panduda. Pandu is a different samprapti, and you will get the complexion is hampered. Kamala, where there is yellowish coloration of the skin. But here, though the symptom occurs on the skin, you have to treat the main disease which is causing the symptom on the skin. So you have to find out the varna karma when you are needing varna karma, whether skin is a mukhya dosha or it is a symptom which is appearing on the skin. Another main condition where you have to think of a major thing in today's practice is ojakshay. The life of all of us is now very fast, very stressful, and because of that worry or that stress or that chinta, any chinta, the oja kshay is seen in the patient, and in the symptoms of ojakshay, the one word duchayo has been written, and it is very commonly seen in the patient. So that's why to take the history of the patient is very important, because you have to find out the exact cause which is behind this duchayo, or which is hampering the varna karma. When it is ojakshay is the cause, you have to treat the ojavardha dravya, or if it is because of chinta or worry or any other thing, you have to give the chikitsa on that particular element which will take off the cause, root cause, and in addition you can give varna karma. But unless and until you remove the main causative factor, the only varna dravya in that case will not help. There is some jungling between the varna karma and freshness of the skin. See, there are two different things. A complexion of the skin is a different thing, and the freshness of the skin, this tajela, is a different thing. The complexion comes under rakta dhatu, and the freshness comes under rasa dhatu, prinan karma. So just you have to distinguish between these two when you are seeing the patient, examining the patient. When if there is freshness is not there, patient looks dull or has got no any the face is also dull and no any freshness, then you have to think of the rasakshay lakshana or rasakshay hetu in that patient and treat that patient according to that diagnosis. So varna karma, we have seen the main diseases of varna karma like kushta, shvitra, then krumi, then the ojakshay where duchayo is the lakshan, and you have to increase the oja vruddhikara, oj by oja vruddhikara dravyas. Then skin where it is seen that wherever varna karma is needed, but symptom of other diseases like pandu, kamala, the local manifestation of the skin which is generally because of some external agent. In that case, local application is also very useful. Always remember, intramedicine, yes, they will do, but local proper application of face pack, udvartan, or oils like kumkumadi tail or shadadauta like kalpa are useful according to the patient condition. So this is the varna karma in we have seen in different aspect. Hope you have understand it and you must have liked it. Please share your comments, subscribe, and we will meet in the next episode with another topic. Thank you very much.